So I just want to take a moment and speak to why this price for the course, because this course is a little bit more expensive than some of the other classes that you might find out there. And there's a variety of reasons that this course is priced at the price that it is priced at. That's a whole lot of saying price. But the number one reason is that a good instructor makes all the difference. I pour a ton of time, passion, and love into creating these courses. I create amazing resources, additional resources for this course, like the course outline and the hands-on exercises and the solutions to the hands-on exercises and the code bases, which you could follow to implement solutions of your own. You can literally just take that code and copy it and paste it and start using it in your own production environment because it's all open source licensed, right? So you get a ton of great resources in this course. I take a ton of time creating these courses, and I bring all of my skill and wisdom as a college and university instructor with over 20 years of experience teaching both undergraduates and graduate students in computer science how to program. So the price of this course is a reflection of the quality of instruction. And a good instructor makes all of the difference. And by taking this course, you're going to save a ton of time. You're going to get through the material more quickly. You're going to learn it more quickly. It's going to be more efficient for you. So while it might be a little bit more than other classes that are out there, by paying this price, you're really supporting me as an instructor and allowing me to devote my work time to building these classes and building them to the level that I build them in. Right? So that's the justification for the price of this course. Now this course here on Greater Commons, this course is our baby. Greater Commons was built with the Go programming language, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? But it's built with Go. I own Greater Commons along with some of my former students. And so Greater Commons is our baby, and that's where we put our first material, and that's where we keep all the courses completely up to date. Some of my courses are on other platforms. I've taught for other companies. But the course on Greater Commons is going to be the most current, it's going to be the most updated, and it's going to be the one that gets the fastest response from me. Like when you ask a question in the course here on Greater Commons, as soon as you ask it, my cell phone rings. It chimes and says, hey, there's a question. So you're going to get faster response time from me, you're going to get access to the most current material, and for that you're paying a premium price. You're getting the absolute best course, you're getting access to people who could answer your questions. So that's what you get when you pay this little bit slightly higher price here on Greater Commons. So I just want to share a little bit about the justification for that price, and I really truly appreciate the collaboration between teacher and student, and I appreciate your support by paying this price so that I could devote more of my work time to learning new material as new material becomes available, and then creating resources to share with everyone. So thank you for coming here, and thank you for considering this class. If you have any other questions about the class, take a look at the other videos on this page. You could take a look at the Satisfaction Guaranteed video or the student reviews. I think those speak volumes. And also the financial aid video. That's really important because my heart is truly altruistic. I've given thousands, tens of thousands of students access to my courses at discounted access or free access. So if the price of this course is too much for you to afford, go to the financial aid video and you'll be able to fill out a little short application to request financial aid, which will either give you discounted access to the course or free access to the course. All right, so that's why the price of this course is what it is, and we know that you're going to get great value for the price of this course. So it's going to be well worth your money. And if you're not happy with it, we have a satisfaction guaranteed. So you have nothing to lose. But I just want to share a little bit of my thoughts on the price of this course because I know it is a little bit more than other classes that you'll find out there in the marketplace, and even some of my other classes on other platforms. So I wanted to let you know why you're paying a premium to take it here on Greater Commons. All right, I look forward to seeing you in class. Click that buy button. You're not going to regret it. And I know you're going to have a great experience and you're going to learn this material really well, and it's going to be fun, and you're going to get, this is the best class in the entire world for learning the Go programming language. So you're going to get that really quickly by going through this class. Click that buy button. I look forward to seeing you in class. Bye.